What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be working on the Cherokee XJ. We're going to replace all the light bulbs from the tail lights and also the license plate light bulbs. So we got the reverse lights and the license plate light bulbs from Auxito. I believe these are 194s. This bulb fits sockets 168, 194, 28, 25, 10, T10, W5W, and a couple of others. They have these bulbs in different colors as well. They have white, amber, red, and blue. And it says LED chip 3014 SMD. I'm pretty sure these are going to be really bright. And then for the reverse, we have these. These backup light bulbs are size 1156. There's two. There's another one in here. The box got a little wet. Let's see. Right here. So they are white and they are 1156/7506 socket type. And some of these little plastic. So these are for the reverse. And then we have the 2057s for the brake lights. And then the 1156s are for the turn signals for the rear. So we're going to replace all the bulbs on the tail light. We're only going to use a 10mm socket to remove the tail light. So I'm going to show you what they look like right now. The Jeep is on. All the lights are on. You can barely see the license plate. The light is really dim. These are the reverse, kind of yellow. And the brake light is on. So we're going to replace them right now. Yeah. So all we have to do is remove three 10mm bolts right here. There's two on the side and one up top. Once the bulbs are out, you can just pull it up a little bit and out. Then this lower one is the reverse. So you just twist it to your left and pull the socket out. And put the new LED bulb in here. So these, just push them in and twist them as well. We replace all the bulbs. Now before we put the headlight back, the tail light back in, we're gonna test it out. That's the brake. That's the reverse. Put the turn signal to the right. Turn signal is working. Now we're gonna put all these back in. You gotta find the right way. Just like that, and then you turn it to the right. For the license plate light bulb, you should have to remove these two Phillips head screws. So this is a little light bulb. You could just twist the socket to one side and pull it off. Now I'm gonna put the new light bulb in there. With the LED bulbs, if they don't turn on, once you turn on your lights, you could just go ahead and flip the bulb the other way and it should turn on. So we're gonna test this out. Yeah. Now we're gonna put everything back together. Now that's a big difference. We got both sides in for the reverse and all the bolts on the left side as well. So. Huge difference with these reverse lights. Really simple to install. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. If you use that link, you'll get a discount on all your Auxito lights. So make sure to use that link. Check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.